Well, I think that what we're seeing right now in the marketplace is more of a buyer's market, and that's true for Manhattan. It's true for the boroughs, maybe with the exception of Brooklyn. It's true for the outer markets, including northern New Jersey and southern Connecticut.
There's a lot of new transactions, a lot of new condo developments coming onto the market in the 5 boroughs. It's going to be a great opportunity to get a new construction condo and maybe at a little bit less price than before.
Well, I'm seeing a definite trend where buyers have their choices and they're taking a little bit longer to connect with the property that speaks to them.
A lot of price concessions, certainly. I mean, there's so much oversupply right now.
The inventory has gone up, the buyers are out there, but it's taking a lot longer to put deals together.
It's not hard to walk down the street and see retail spaces that are available. You know, some people think that's a blight, but when we're on the tenant rep side of it, it's fantastic. There's options. It's not like when the market was super hot, like 1999, let's say, where we show them the space today, and if we don't put the offer in tonight, it's gone.
From a commercial perspective, where is the hottest place in New York City to lease space right now?
Hudson Yards. It's got the buzz. It's literally newer, better product. And because it's not full yet, they haven't realized the problem they have there, only having a couple of hundred parking spots and one subway line that's already crowded.
I believe there are 2 opportunities in New York. One is to produce absolutely inexpensive starter apartments, do nice finishes, smaller units, very well thought out layouts like in Europe and for that matter in Japan, have them in up-and-coming neighborhoods.
All developers, whether you're residential or commercial, are responding to what's happened in the last decade of our tech scene. By 2020, our millennial generation will represent 45% of our workforce. They do everything very differently than my generation. They will compromise space for community. They don't mind public transportation. And I think what we have with the growth in the technology industry is the explosion of Brooklyn, because those millennial buyers, they don't need to live right where their office is.
Everyone's looking for data these days. I mean, you have to just really be expanding what you're doing.
We've just launched our comparable sales tool, an advanced search mechanism where you're able to just canvas properties and produce these different types of lists and download them. You go onto our site, type an address in, and it will populate an entire list of data sets, property characteristics, tax information, liens. We have list pendants, foreclosures. We have the new Real Owners tool. We pierce behind the LLCs, which would give you the true owner's name and the true owner's phone number. We're very innovative, and we're on the cutting edge of technology.
The thing right now that people want to learn more about is blockchain technology.
Blockchain, I do believe, is coming, and I'm currently working on a project with the Real Estate Board of New York.
Blockchain technology makes perfect sense for real estate in terms of owning data, making access to property data more available. That's huge.
People realize the potential of the blockchain for funding and raising capital and lending capital for real estate assets.